Hi everybody and welcome to my course. But before starting, I want to remind you about the main rules in every chess opening. So rule number 1. Both sides have to fight for the center and try to capture it with pawns, as I'm showing you on the screen right now. Rule number 2. We have to develop our minor pieces into the game and likely close to the center. And rule number 3, we have to move our king to safety at the side by castling. So white starts the game with d4. The idea of this move is to capture the center and take some space. White also opens the way for its dark squared bishop. d5. Black plays the same move with the same ideas. c4. With this move, white wants to destroy black's central pawn and to take advantage in the center with knight and e-pawn. From here, black has 3 main moves. So first move is dc4. If black plays dc4, white can immediately reply e4, taking total control over the center. Now white can easily develop all the pieces and also taking back sacrificed c4 pawn. This variation is playable for black, but you may have some difficulties, because black doesn't have that much space as white does. The next move against c4 is e6, protecting d5 pawn chain this way. This is also a very playable variation, but here black has a little problem which is connected to black's light squared bishop. With e6 move, we close its way, and almost in every variation we need to think about its development. And now, finally, against c4, black plays c6. From here, SLAV defense starts. This move is very logical. We defend our central pawn this way, and at the same time we don't concede the center, and we don't close the diagonal for our bishop. This opening is a very powerful weapon against white's d4 move, which you would love to have in your arsenal. The opening was played by almost all the world champions and all the strongest grandmasters in the world. So let's start our journey and let's see what's happening there.